Welcome to the Components tutorial. Components are just one of the ways to add content to designs and are available in the component palette. There are also pre-built stencils and widgets available in the Resource Center, or you can drag and drop assets from your computer to a prototype. Some basic and commonly used components are container, text, and image. Page navigation components let you display pages as live navigation links. The state navigation components are specifically designed to facilitate state configuration. Also available are standard form controls, such as checkbox and text field, and some desktop or web app components include basic interactive widgets to represent tab panels, accordions, etc. We will build a simple, low-fidelity informational layout for a sample footer page, and we'll just use a few standard components. The process of adding components follows 3 basic steps. First, find the component you want in the palette. Then place the component onto the canvas by dragging and dropping or by double-clicking it. Then configure the component to achieve the desired look, feel, and behavior. Let's start with the image component, which has an X placeholder by default. And then we'll add a gray box to represent the header area. Now let's add a vertical navigation component. Notice that when we drag out this component, it automatically displays the visible pages below the home page. As you can see, the order of the pages in the component is the same as the order of the pages in the page tree. In test mode, we can interact with our components to verify that the behavior is correct. Push Escape to continue editing. Now we want to resize the vertical navigation component and change its default behavior by configuring a different starting page. To do so, we'll open the Property Inspector. The Property Inspector is accessed by double-clicking the component in the canvas or using the button in the menu bar. There are many properties available in the inspector grouped by category. There are also select properties in the inspector bar above. Let's choose the footer navigation page as the new starting page and drag it to the starting pages property field. Then we want to hide the starting pages. And to continue with our theme, we'll choose a gray fill color from the inspector bar. Next, we'll drag out a page name component. This component simply displays the name of the current page. To add text, let's use the text component and paste in some content from our clipboard. Because this is a simple layout, we don't need to do much styling to the text. If we were creating a more high-fidelity layout with real content, we might want to use the rich text component instead. With that, we can style portions of text, add links, tables, etc. For now, we're done with our design. After getting feedback, we can add more components or increase the fidelity with images, styles, and advanced components. There are also a number of features available in the editor to facilitate the creation of designs. You can access these features in the menu bar, or you can also use the right-click menu for components and actually for the canvas as well. For example, we'll align the page name, text, and rich text components and adjust their positions. This concludes the Components tutorial. To access additional help resources, visit the support section of ProtoShare.com.